In this video, we're diving into the top 5 DJ controllers of 2024, from pro-grade gear to beginner-friendly setups. Whether you're mixing beats or starting your DJ journey, these controllers have something for everyone. Stay tuned to find out which models deliver the best features, performance, and value in today's market. Number 5. The Native Instruments Maschine Mikro MK3 drum controller is a compact, portable beat-making powerhouse designed for both novice and experienced music creators. This drum controller integrates seamlessly with Maschine software, combining powerful digital tools with tactile hardware, enabling users to create beats, melodies, and chord progressions intuitively. Its 16 responsive pads allow 4 modes of input: pad mode for drums, keyboard mode for melodies, chord mode for chord progressions, and step mode for sequencing. Users benefit from its versatility, as it can function standalone or as a VST, EU, or AX plugin across popular DAWs like Ableton Live, Logic Pro, and FL Studio. The included 1.6 GB Maschine factory selection offers a solid range of sounds, from samples to loops and drum kits, giving users a robust starting point. Feedback on the Maschine Mikro MK3 is largely positive, with users praising the clean workflow and intuitive design, although some report software bugs. Ideal for creators wanting to focus more on music making than button clicking, it's a great investment for elevating productivity. Additionally, free expansion packs offer rich possibilities for beat making right out of the box. While some recommend the full Maschine 3 Malawian kwachas for enhanced creativity, the Mikro MK3 provides exceptional value and functionality for its price. Number 4. The Hercules DJControl Inpulse 500 is a versatile and durable 2-deck USB DJ controller designed for use with Serato DJ and JUS software, both included. Built with an integrated audio interface and hardware input mixer, this controller allows for direct audio input, ensuring seamless setup and easy mixing. It features 16 backlit RGB pads, providing a responsive experience for triggering samples, loops, and effects. The large jog wheels with touch detection make scratching effortless, while the filter or FX section enables smooth transitions between tracks, adding depth to any performance. The Inpulse 500's retractable feet elevate the controller, which helps protect it from accidental spills. A thoughtful design for DJs performing at busy events. Users commend its robust aluminum faceplate and comprehensive audio controls, including AUX input with volume and filter knobs, mic EQ, and both RCA and 1/4 outputs. While generally praised for its build quality and value, especially at around $300, some users report issues with samples occasionally disappearing, requiring reinstallation. Despite this minor inconvenience, the Inpulse 500 is highly regarded as a home or gig-ready controller for DJs seeking quality and functionality at an affordable price point. Whether you're practicing or performing, this controller's features provide ample creative potential without breaking the bank. Number 3. The Pioneer DJ DDJ FLX4 is a versatile, budget-friendly 2-deck controller perfect for beginner DJs who want to explore the features of Rekordbox and Serato DJ. With a USB audio output and robust multi-device compatibility, it connects seamlessly to various platforms, including laptops and mobile devices, making it a great entry-level choice. The FLX4 also integrates streaming options, so users can directly mix tracks from popular streaming services, an ideal feature for those looking to expand their song library. This controller's smart mixing feature and smart CFX allow smooth, intuitive transitions and easy effects manipulation, making it simple to achieve professional-sounding mixes with minimal effort. Users appreciate the FLX4 for its upgraded design over the DDJ 400, incorporating modern features like USB-C connectivity and mobile device support, allowing DJs to mix directly from a phone, a unique feature for a controller at this price point. While beginners find it offers everything needed to get started, experienced DJs might find it limited as they outgrow its capabilities. However, with its durable build, intuitive layout, and essential features, the Pioneer DJ DDJ FLX4 is highly recommended for newcomers looking to learn and perform confidently on a reliable controller without investing heavily upfront. Number 2. The RANE One is a premium DJ controller designed for those who want the authentic feel of vinyl in a digital setup. This controller boasts motorized 7.2-inch platters with adjustable torque and quick-release acrylic discs, giving DJs a genuine turntable experience. Paired with Serato DJ Pro included, it offers seamless integration with advanced features like dual USB laptop connections for easy handoffs, 6 quick-launch FX with dual metal paddles, and 8 performance pads per deck for cues, loops, rolls, and Serato's scratch bank. The RANE One's mixer includes a 3-band EQ, LP or HP filter, channel faders, and the ultra-responsive Mag 4 crossfader. It has versatile connectivity with 2 USB ports, balanced XLR main and booth outputs, dual TRS, XLR mic inputs, and an auxiliary input, making it highly adaptable for any professional setup. While some may wish for onboard effects, users find its build quality unmatched and ideal for scratch DJs and those who prioritize the feel of motorized platters. Users praise the RANE One for its durable tank-like build, clean aesthetic, and flawless performance. It's particularly beloved by DJs who miss the feel of traditional turntables but want the flexibility of digital DJing. For anyone serious about scratching and a classic DJ experience, the RANE One is an excellent choice. Number 1. The Pioneer DJ DDJ FLX10 is a robust, versatile 4-deck controller that provides DJs with a high-performance setup for professional mixing. With its large 8-inch jog wheels and compatibility with both Rekordbox and Serato, this controller is suited for serious DJs looking for advanced features and reliable performance. The FLX10 integrates a Rekordbox lighting mode, allowing DJs to sync their music with lighting effects for immersive performances, which could be a game-changer in creating captivating visual and audio experiences. Equipped with 16 performance pads and an innovative track separation feature, DJs can easily manipulate vocal, instrumental, and drum tracks separately, opening up creative mixing possibilities. The controller also includes an array of effects and is designed with a sturdy, substantial build, making it slightly heavier but highly durable for mobile DJ setups. Users love the new onboard effects and appreciate the smooth integration with Serato and Rekordbox, as well as the flexibility of switching between professional DJ software. While its weight may be more than expected, the FLX10's impressive range of features and reliable build quality make it an excellent choice for DJs wanting advanced functionality and creative control in a standalone controller. Ideal for both professional gigs and personal use, the DDJ FLX10 is a solid investment in a top-tier DJ experience. Thanks for tuning in to our review of the top DJ controllers of 2024. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more gear reviews. Let us know in the comments which controller you'd choose, or if there's any gear you'd like us to review next. Keep mixing, stay inspired, and we'll catch you in the next video.